Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video and thank you for spending some of your time with me. Today I have some extreme cleaning I want to share with you guys. This is some real life mess. I have been working on a few things in my house, so I really needed to do some cleaning. First order of business was laundry, so I wanted to go ahead and put a load in and have it going while I went upstairs and started to work on my living room because it was so messy. I have been painting, so I was ready to give it a good clean. When you're out and about, tell me, do you really need me? I'm painting pictures and I'm dreaming. I love painting and I am not the best at painting. I make the biggest mess, so I had to use the plastic sheet on the ground, and I still got paint on the ground, so it took me so long to just go and scrub every little paint that I had dropped. But I am so happy at how this fireplace turned out. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the picture of the before right here. The transformation is honestly incredible, so I was quite proud of myself that I was able to change something that didn't suit me to something that suited my decor and my style. And I'm getting tired of waiting. It's like we're stuck. You won't grow up, and I'm getting tired. I'm tired of waiting for you to make your move. He can love me better than you. He can love me better than you. On my mind's loving's on my mind. He can do me better. He can do me better. On my mind's everything I like. He can do me better. He can do me better than you. He love me better than you do. Yeah. He love me better than you. Love me better than you do. Although I taped the fireplace just to protect the walls and the floors, I still got paint everywhere, as you can see, and I also got it on the wall. So I went in with a sponge at first and it didn't really take it off all the way, and then I tried a magic eraser and it really did some magic because the paint just came right off. I hope that you are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss out on my videos, but if you're not subscribed, please go ahead and do so. It really helps me grow my YouTube channel and I really appreciate it, and I love meeting new people, so go ahead and hit that red subscribe button down below and also hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on my videos when they upload. Taking me a while to get it, had to live and cry to appreciate life, and what you give is worth it. When you're holding me, when you hold me so close, I want further in under your skin. Wanna leave a mark so that I can be sure that you remember what's been. I used to be satisfied, stayed over the surface. Now I just can't get enough. You make me feel good like no other. I just want everyone to see what I've discovered. And when I'm with you, I go higher. You lift me up, now I can see so much farther. You're not
nice life. You and I side by side, knowing there is more.
So the wires behind the TV were bothering me, just dangling from behind there, and you could see them. So I went and I got some painter's tape and I taped it onto the TV. My husband thought it was weird, but it worked and it looked so much cleaner. So the chair to match the rest of my couches had come this week that I was filming, and this is the area that I was gonna put it in, so I had to clean it. I had just stuffed stuff in that corner, but I had to clean it because I had to rearrange the living room a little bit and put the chair back. I'm still waiting on the ottoman. They told me it's gonna come beginning of December, I believe. They are just getting everything back ordered, I guess. They have so many furnitures that are coming like late December, so I was happy to get my chair. They had told me it was coming beginning of November, and it did come on time, so I'm thinking the ottoman will probably definitely come beginning of December. I was hoping earlier, but that's okay. I know there are a lot of people still waiting for their own stuff, so my ottoman is not a big deal. This table is my next project. I bought it because I really saw how I wanted to change it. I had a vision for this table, so I'm still going to work on it. It's just taking me a while because I have so much to do around the house, but I will get to it for sure, and I will share it either on here or on Instagram. So if you don't follow me, go ahead and follow me on Instagram because I will for sure share the transformation there. Now I'm in my room and I just wanted to start by putting away my clothes. Sometimes in the morning I'll try on different things and I never like what I'm wearing, so I keep pulling out things out of my closet, and then of course that turns into a bigger cleanup. But on this morning it was honestly not as bad as it usually is. But anyways, I was just going around tidying up and putting things away before I went ahead and made the bed.
Just wanna let you know, behind the mirrors and all that smoke, promises and alibis, I don't believe. Told me you would change my world, now I know what you are worth. Gone and lost your hold on me, I don't believe. Have me acting like a fool, to no use. Got me wondering why you.
Now moving into the kitchen, I had things everywhere. I had gone grocery shopping on this morning, so I pretty much had everything everywhere on the counters, on the floors. So of course I like to always go ahead and put everything away before I start doing the actual cleaning. Once everything is in its right place, its right home, it just makes it much easier to start cleaning. So I'm putting everything away, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start with the dishes.
What you're risking when you roll the dice. Now I'm gonna place the bet on me. I do believe you will
So speaking of groceries, here in Nova Scotia, they do not have any plastic bags. They use paper bags, and they charge 25 cents per paper bag. And so we have the reusable ones, but a lot of times when I first got here, I will forget to take the bags with me, and I will end up paying so much money for the paper bags. And I learned the hard way, but it's so much easier so much easier to carry the groceries in the reusable bags. They just carry way more, and the paper bags have broken on me so many times that I just if I go in a store and I only have like 2 or 3 things, then I'll purchase one. But I've noticed that a lot of people would just walk out with their things in their hands if they don't have a lot. But the majority of the people here do bring in their own reusable bags. So, like I mentioned, on this day I had gone grocery shopping. We have been going through so many fruits. For some reason, we all just started eating way more fruits. So, I feel like I go to the grocery store at least twice a week just to get fruits. And so, I was quite happy to replenish, and yeah, the boys were happy too.
I've been dreaming all night, bringing me some inspiration.
I was back in the laundry room to switch out the loads, but before that I wanted to clean out my lint trap, and I used my Dyson just to vacuum the extras that had gone way too far under. Ever since I learned that too much lint in your dryer can cause fire, it has terrified me, so I always make sure that there's not too much in there, and I usually just use my vacuum and I suction out all the little ones that I can't reach with my hands, and it works well. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I hope I see you guys next time in my next video. Bye guys.